Lesson 1.3, Selecting an Evidence-Based Initiative. By this point in the school improvement process, you've already identified needs, root causes, and goals for your school improvement plans. You will begin your search for evidence-based initiatives with one set of these and think about the key words in each of these that you can use to search for relevant evidence-based initiatives. You can think of these keywords or concepts or outcomes as your search terms. There are many curated clearinghouses of vetted evidence-based initiatives you can browse or search. Some are organized by topic, some by student group, and some by keyword search. You can be confident that the resources endorsed by these clearinghouses have a reliable evidence base. Note that Bridge RI has courses available to help you navigate some of the following sites, such as What Works Clearinghouse, Best Evidence Encyclopedia, Results First Clearinghouse, ERIC, and RAND. There are also multifaceted resources for evidence-based initiatives, such as the How Do We Know initiative from Massachusetts, or SurveyWorks from Panorama. Another good source, but not curated and not specific to education, is Google Scholar. A reminder that these clearinghouses and resources will not necessarily indicate what ESSA tier they fall into. RIDE has developed a tool which is available in the resources that will help you vet an initiative to determine if it meets the criteria for strong, moderate, or promising evidence as defined by ESSA. Now that you know where to look for evidence-based initiatives, we'll next talk about how to select one that meets your school community's needs. Questions to align school improvement plan needs with an evidence-based study. Once you've considered your initiative, consider the context of the research study around said initiative. When considering context, seek those that were studied in one that is similar to your own. You will likely not find an exact match, but the stronger the correlation to your own school's context, the more likely you are to replicate the positive result of the studied initiative. Start by asking, what did the needs assessment and root cause analysis determine? Your needs assessment and root cause analysis should inform your search. For example, if you identified absenteeism as a need and determined that student engagement was at the root cause, that would lead you to a very different initiative than if you determined that transportation was the root cause. Once you've identified your root cause, ask yourself, what is your grade level and subject area of focus? As you pursue initiatives, ask yourself, what studies align with your needs and setting? What is the type of study and sample size? Is it similar to your school, your grade size? What were the outcomes of the study? And finally, ask yourself, what would you need for the implementation of the initiative identified in the study? How might this impact your budget?